Hi guys, how's it going? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for IndoRecipe.com. And for today's recipe, it is cookies. This is my youngest favorite, absolute favorite cookies, and it's Crinkle cookies, chocolate crinkle cookies. So this is 4 squares of dark chocolate with quarter cup of unsalted butter. We're gonna melt this in microwave. While for the dry ingredients, what I have here is 1 cup of flour, half cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a super generous pinch of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix this and set to side. While for the wet ingredients, this is 2 teaspoons of Nescafe instant powder, coffee powder, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and we're gonna add 1.5 cup dark brown sugar, and then we're gonna use balloon whisk and just whisk it until totally combined. This is using microwave 30 seconds interval. So in total it will be like 2 minutes at least. 1.5 to 2 minutes. Depending on how powerful your microwave is. Now we're gonna pour this into our beaten egg. And then we're gonna mix it until completely combined again. Now we're gonna add in our dry ingredients. And you want to mix this until completely combined, no flour streaks whatsoever. Now let rest for 10 minutes at room temperature on your counter. Just leave it for 10 minutes. Scoop dough, drop it on granulated sugar, coat it with granulated sugar. The dough will be soft. It's not firm, so it will be a little bit sticky to your hand. And then drop it to icing sugar and coat it again. And then we're gonna drop it to our parchment lined baking pan, like so, and bake cookie on preheated 325 Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. You can bake it like 6 minutes and rotate it. It's depending how good your oven is, but again it's 325 for 12 minutes. Take out from ovens and leave it on the pan for 5 minutes before moving them onto cooling rack.